Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D deep effect text in Adobe. So first of all, you're going to insert a text box onto the slide, and then you're going to insert your text, whatever you want to write, and give it a 3D effect. And you're going to increase its size, something like this. And then what you're going to do is go right here onto this option, change its color. I'm gonna use, so let's change this font, and there you go. Adjust it. Now what you're gonna do is click on this option. You're gonna go to this option, and from here, go right here and click on this option, the bevel effect, and from here you're gonna increase the size and the angle to 256, and then you're gonna go upwards and change this setting. So there you go. Next, what you have to do is move the text into the center and the middle, and then you're gonna click on this, and then you're gonna select the upper part of each of the letter. Then you're gonna when I cut it, then you're gonna select it all and then paste on it. Now you're gonna go to this option right here and click on this, and the next thing you're gonna do is select all of this, open this option, and from here you're gonna click on this option, and this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.